Hey everyone, welcome to day 6 of Java in 30 days by Quipoin. Today we are learning one of the most powerful concepts in Java, that is methods, also known as function in other languages. If variables are the nouns of programming, methods are the verbs. They make things happen. Now, what is a method? A method is a block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it like a machine. If you put something in it, it does work and it can give you something back. In real life, a coffee machine. If you put coffee powder, water, it makes coffee and gives it to you. Now, let's code it to see how method works and how to declare it. Today, we will cover three things: method declaration, method parameters, and method return values. Now, let's code it to see how it works. So, we will write, let's write public static void greet, then curly braces, then we will print system dot out dot print ln, then inside quotes we will write hello, then welcome to Java methods. Then we will put semicolon and then curly braces is there. Then we will call our method greet. Then we will put semicolon. Now our code looks complete. Let's save. Now right click, run as Java application, proceed, and you can see hello, welcome to Java method got printed. Now what I did here, I declared a method called greet. The public static void is the access and type of method, and greet parenthesis is the method name followed by parenthesis. Inside the curly braces, we write the task we want. Here it simply prints the welcome message. In the main method, I just wrote greet to call it. When I run this, it prints the message. Now let's take parameters as our next example and see how it works. So let's go. Now let's see the next code with method with parameter. So we will write public static void greet user, then parenthesis, inside that string name, then we will put curly braces, then we will print system dot out dot print ln, and we will write hello, then we will put comma, and then we will put space plus name, then we will put a plus sign, and then with exclamation we will write welcome to Java methods, and then we will put full stop, and let's put it in quotes. So we will put quotes in before exclamation, and here also we will put quotes, and there is an extra quote, let's remove, and from here also let's remove. Now put semicolon, and now let's write our next greet user. Now let's write the name we want. Let's write Ankit. And so let's put semicolon. And now for another user, let's write greet user is parenthesis. Let's take Rahul. Now let's put semicolon. And now let's save. Then right click, run as Java application, proceed, and you can see hello Ankit, welcome to Java method, and hello Rahul, welcome to Java method. Now notice this new method greet user has something inside parenthesis, that is the string name, that is parameter. Parameters are like variables we pass into method. So when I call greet user Ankit, it prints hello, welcome to Java method. And when I call greet user Rahul, it prints hello. This makes a method flexible. It works for different values. Now let's move to the last one, that is return values, to see how it works. So let's go. Now let's see how return values work. So we will write public static int add, and then inside parenthesis int a comma int b, and then curly braces. These are the parameters. And then let's write return a plus b semicolon. And now inside we will write int sum is equal to add, let's take 5 comma 10, and then let's put semicolon. Then we will print system dot out dot print ln, and then inside quotes we will write the sum is, and then we will put a plus sign, and then sum and semicolon. Now our code looks complete. So let's save, right click, run as Java application, proceed, and you can see the sum is 15. Now the method is called add here. It takes two integers a and b, and then it returns their sum. Notice I used return a plus b. This sends the result back to the place where the method was called. In the main, I stored that result in sum and then print it. So the output is the sum is 15. Now we learned how method help us organize code. We can declare method using public static return type name parameters, that is the syntax. Then parameters let us pass data into methods. Then return statement lets method gives back result. This is super powerful and will help us build bigger programs easily. And that is for day 6 of Java in 30 days by Quipoin. We learned how to create methods, how to use parameters, and how to return values from the method. Alright learners, before we wrap up, let me quickly show you how you can connect with us directly on our website for your queries and out. First, open your browser and head over to Quipoin.com. Once you are on the homepage, look at the menu bar and click on the Mind Exchange section. This is a dedicated space for learners like you. Inside the Mind Exchange, you will get Java in 30 days and you can click here. Then you can go to this create post and head over to Java in 30 days, and in the content section you can post your queries, share your doubts, or even answer others learners question. This is your place to collaborate, exchange ideas, and learn together. So if you ever stuck while practicing any of the topics, you can just type your question and hit submit, and then your queries will be solved by your team and community and the help you need, because at Quipoin we believe learning is best when shared. So don't hesitate, post your queries, interact with others, and grow along with us. In the next session, we will learn about recursion and method overloading. So, for more queries, exercises, and even interview preparation question, do visit the Quipoin website for practice. See you in day 7. Bye.